on chapter number 11, force and pressure. So, what is a force? A force could be an influence on which an object can be in state of motion. Or, in simple words, force is a push or a pull or a combination of both. A push means a force to move an object away from the bodies. And a pull is when we apply a force to move an object towards our body. Now let's see some examples of combination of push and pull. Playing a guitar, sawing a wood, scrubbing the floor, rowing a boat. Here you can see a push as well as pull together. Now let's see some examples of force. Pressing the switch, launching a rocket, kicking a ball, knocking a nail, pushing trolley, tug of war, pulling a box, drawing back a bow, opening the door, raising a flock. In all these examples, you can see force or the effect of force. Now, let's discuss the effect of force. When a force is applied on a body, one of these effects or more can occur. Stops a moving object or makes a stationary object moves. Change the speed of a moving object. Change the direction of moving object. Change the shape permanently or temporarily. Forces are due to interaction. An interaction of one object on another object result in a force between two objects. For example, if a man stands behind a car, the car does not move, since there is no interaction between the car as well as the man. But if he pushes the car, he applies a force and then the car begins to move in the direction of applied force. So this shows that forces are due to interaction. Exploring forces. If two forces act on a body in the same direction, then the net force is sum of two forces. Net force is equal to F1 plus F2. If two forces act on a body in opposite directions, the net force is the difference between the two forces. Net force is equal to F2 minus F1. The effect on the object depends upon the net force acting on it. Force can't change the speed or set a body in motion. When force is applied on an object, it may change its speed. If the force is applied in the direction of object's motion, its speed increases. Thus, a change in either the speed or direction of motion or both is described as change in the state of motion of an object. For example, to move a tire faster, it has to be pushed repeatedly. When a force acts on an object, the object may change shape by bending, stretching or compressing or combination of all these changes. For example, when a rubber band is stretched or when a lemon is squeezed, you can see the change in the shape of the object when a force is applied.